f of x is equal to ax by x plus 1, x not equal to minus 1, f of x should be x, then what should be the value of a? So, for this I will refer the shortcut what I have already spoken about in the previous problems. So, now if f of x is of the form ax plus b divided by cx minus a, if f of x has this form, that is ax plus b by cx minus a, then in these kind of functions f of x will be always equal to x. So, we have already seen, and that is the condition what they have been asking. Okay. So, for this, if f of x should be equal to x, the important condition here is that this a, b and c can be anything, they can be distinct, but this number and this number should be negative of each other. If this is a, this should be minus a. Now, if I write this as f of x is equal to this, I can write it as ax plus nothing is there, so I can write it as 0 divided by x plus 1. Okay. So, this number and this number can be anything. So, it is anything a, b and c, but the thing is, if f of x should be equal to x, this number and this number should be negative of each other. That means, this number and this number should be negative of each other. Now, since this number, now if this is minus a, this should be plus a. If it is plus a, this should be minus a. That is the meaning. So, therefore, what should happen is a, and since this is plus 1, the value of a should be negative of this. That means, immediately we can say the value of a is minus 1. So, a should be, this is 1. So, a should be negative of this. Suppose it was x plus 2, then a should have been minus 2. If this was x plus half, then a should have been minus half, something like that. So, a is equal to minus 1, therefore, option D is the answer.